versus Ahejiang. 33-year-old Li Shuai, 14-4 record, a Muay Thai stylist with the red taping around his gloves. Ahejiang, 21-year-old boxer and wrestler, undefeated 6-0. Cannon, 6 knockouts for Ahejiang.
That is going to be, a phenomenal advantage here against our Li Shuai, as he's got a lot of experience, but he's going to maybe be relying on his grappling.
Now, Cannon, what are the points that Li Shuai needs to do to overcome this massive height and reach differential against Ahejiang?
He's going to have to close the distance here. He might have to, drop in level, get a takedown on the go, but he's going to have to soften up his opponent first before he can do that. Because when both of the athletes are fresh and up in the ring, it's going to be very difficult to get someone down to the ground with a takedown with ease.
Absolute beanpole. Ahejiang, size the man. Now they're on the canvas, and this is one place, Cannon, where size doesn't matter, or at least height and reach doesn't matter.
Well, saying that, at the same time, when you're going in for a rear naked choke or something like that, to that effect, the limb length does actually help. So what's happening now is Ahejiang is managing to keep the side control on our brown belt in jiu-jitsu here, and he's passing the guard here, passing the control, and he's got the back, but the hook is underneath Ahejiang, so he's trying to turn that around into an armbar.
Oh, the armbar almost locked it on and took home a souvenir, but not to be. And now Li Shuai back to his feet. This is where Li wants to be. The man is a 2014 World Muay Thai Championships gold medalist in Bangkok. He wants to be up. He wants to be striking. And now he's back to his feet, and can he land a guillotine? Can he slap it on the tall Ahejiang?
He is a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu brown belt, but Ahejiang, oh my goodness.
Shakalaka! Beautiful takedown. Ahejiang planted him like a tree.
He is now in side control position. He's got the headlock on, but, let's see what he can do from here. He's throwing in elbows. Let's see if he can pass the guard. He is really doing his best to get his leg over that guard position. He is in half guard there, and Li Shuai is in a bit of trouble. The neck crank is on, and it's going to be very, very uncomfortable for him. It's kind of like a guillotine choke from that position, so it's going to be difficult to breathe, and at the same time, it's putting pressure on the back of his neck.
Li Shuai in a whole lot of bother, out of that predicament at the moment though, but he's got Ahejiang on top of him, and Ahejiang dominating, takes the back again. What's he going to do from here? The beanpole, he's going to try and sink another choke. Li Shuai in trouble now. Could this be the beginning of the end? But he's trying to battle out of it. The 33-year-old is resilient, with guts and intestinal fortitude, and he's back to his feet. He's at a Muay Thai distance now. Can he get his strikes off?
Let's see what happens. He's now back to his feet. He is very, very tired after that exchange. He was struggling. He was in a bad position for the whole of that first half of the bout. See if Ahejiang now can do some big strikes.
Oh, smack bang! He dropped him with the left hand. Thank you, mother, for the rabbits. This one's over early, and that man, the towering 21-year-old Ahejiang, is superb. Has that earned him a contract for one championship? To join the likes of our Chinese megastars, Ma Haobin, Rockman Chen Li, Han Zihao, and world champion Zhong Junnan. It was a phenomenal performance, Cannon.
It was a phenomenal performance indeed. He was dominating with takedowns, grappling. He got the passing guards. He managed to get the back, sink in a rear naked choke attempt. He had a neck crank, loads of different things in his artillery, and he used all of them in a fantastic way. Sensational win there for Ahejiang.
The uppercut missed, the left hook didn't. It found a home. It dropped Li Shuai. The 33-year-old Muay Thai gold medalist was planted, and the victory and the undefeated record remains 7-0 now. 7 knockouts, Ahejiang.